Chapter 4. Kinds of Habitats. Lesson 3. Oceans and Ponds. What is the ocean like? The ocean is a large body of salt water. The water is always flowing. The ocean covers most of Earth. Kelp is a kind of ocean plant or seaweed. Beds of kelp are like forests in the ocean. They provide food and shelter for many kinds of ocean animals. Most animals that live in the sea must move through the water. Their body shapes and fins or flippers help them swim. Jellyfish and squid move by sucking in water and forcing it out. Ocean animals also must stay safe. Sea turtles and clams are protected by shells. Other animals have spines. How do living things survive in the ocean? What is a pond like? A pond is a small body of fresh water that does not flow. Fresh water has little or no salt in it. Most animals that live in fresh water cannot live in salt water. Frogs, fish, and turtles eat insects that live in ponds. Snakes live in the grass near ponds and eat fish and frogs. Pond plants with roots grow near the shore. The stems, leaves, and flowers grow out of the water to get sunlight. Pond animals breathe in different ways. Some insects, such as mosquito larvae, send tubes to the surface. These insects breathe through the tubes. Salamanders breathe through their skin. Fish breathe through gills. How do living things breathe in a pond habitat? Different habitats. A woodland forest is one kind of habitat. Bears and mice live in woodland forests. Most trees have leaves that change colors when seasons change. Some other plants stay green all year. Some animals live in cold places, such as the Arctic. The Arctic is a kind of desert. Musk oxen, polar bears, and reindeer live there. They all have different ways to survive the cold winters. A coral reef is a kind of living ocean habitat. Coral is made up of tiny animals. Fish and other animals swim in the coral reef. They can hide and find food there. A pond is another kind of water habitat. Alligators live in some ponds. The alligator can hide under the water to catch food. Fish and other animals can hide among the roots of the trees. Careers in science. Marine mammal scientist. Do you want to help protect dolphins and whales? You could become a marine mammal scientist. Marine mammal scientists protect habitats in many ways. Some study the oceans and the animals that live there. They learn more about what animals need. Some teach people why it is important to take care of the oceans and the animals. Some other jobs for people who want to protect marine animals are veterinarian and underwater photographer.